Hi, welcome to Sparkling Memory, a place where you can build healthy relationship with food, parents, and yourself. And today what we're going to be making some banana pancakes. It's very simple. You can actually use flour or you can use your favorite pancake mix to get it done. Let's start with the ingredients first. Okay, so from left to right, you have the all-purpose flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, almond milk, egg, and butter. Once you mix them all together, it should look like this. And I also add some water to that mix. I forgot to mention that. And the bananas. I actually use two. And you want to smash those before adding into your mix. Now, as far as the butter goes, you want to use the third line that you see on the butter. And you want to melt it or have it softened. Then when it's mixed, it's going to look like this in terms of the thickness. And you don't want it to be lumpy because we're not making banana fritters, we're making banana pancake. So here's the smashed bananas, and we're going to add it to the mix. And then give that a good stir. You don't have to pre-rate it. Smashing it is just as good. And then you just take it from there. Now we're going ahead and starting the cooking process. You can use oil, you can use butter. I prefer to use butter because I like the taste it comes with. Make sure your pan is all the way hot. First mix is in. Actually did a big one. Now flipped it. Golden brown in the sides and lay brown in the middle. That's what you want to look like once it's done. This time I put in two because the frying pan will hold two instead of just one gigantic one. And for this, I'm going to show you all that I need. I made about 14 of these. And I add cinnamon and nutmeg to give it a different type of taste. So next time, it's sit around for sparkling memories.